Welcome back to another step-by-step follow along with me recipe. This one is sure to please your appetite. First, you want to start by heating your pan with some oil. Then you want to add some whole garlic cloves. I have about 7 there. Then you want to add some whole cherry tomatoes along with this infused garlic oil. Add your red roasted peppers and stir. Once you've allowed these to emulsify, you're going to add your basil leaves and continue to stir. You should begin to smell all of the Italian aromatics by now. I actually love this part because you're watching your tomatoes change. Let's season with some sea salt, some Italian seasoning, some dried basil. You want to be sure to use your seasoning sparingly. Roasted red pepper flakes. You want to use some sugar, red wine, and some sparing red wine vinegar. Let's get out our salmon. Let's season it up. Add some fresh herbs and allow to marinate. I would give it about 30 minutes. Let's check those tomatoes and red peppers. Look how nice these are. Add them to our blender. Blend. Add some garlic paste and butter. Add our blended elements. Stir. Add heavy cream. And this becomes our sauce. You want to boil some fresh, thick noodles. They turn out like this. Add them to your sauce. Wow. Top with some dried parsley flakes and Parmesan or cheese of your choice. Let's get back to that salmon and see how it's doing. You want to sear your salmon on both sides and cook thoroughly. Flip it over. You should have a nice char. Have this alongside of your pasta. Bon appetit.